Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube, exploring its top features, and sharing some useful tips to make your experience even better. So, let's get started. YouTube is an incredible platform that offers a wide range of content, from videos to music and even live streams. It's a great way to stay connected, learn new things, and discover new interests. Now, let's talk about some handy tips to enhance your YouTube experience. 1. Personalize your feed. By liking, disliking, and subscribing to channels, YouTube will learn your preferences and suggest content that you're more likely to enjoy. 2. Create playlists. Organize your favorite videos into playlists for easy access and a smoother viewing experience. 3. Use the offline feature. Download videos to watch later when you're offline. 4. Use the YouTube app. The app offers a seamless experience across devices, allowing you to pick up where you left off on your smartphone or tablet. 5. Share videos. Share your favorite videos with friends and family through social media or email. Now, let's talk about some of the top features that make YouTube so amazing. 1. Live streaming. Share your experiences and connect with others in real time. 2. YouTube TV. Watch live TV from major networks, including sports, news, and more. 3. YouTube Music. Enjoy a vast library of music, including personalized playlists and radio stations. 4. YouTube Kids. A safe and age-appropriate experience for kids. 5. YouTube Premium. Ad-free, offline viewing, and access to exclusive content. So, there you have it. A quick overview of how to use YouTube, some handy tips, and a few of its top features. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching and happy YouTubing!